Hello friends, today I am going to unbox 4700 BC Nutty Tuxedo chocolate popcorn. I have brought it from Amazon.in and it is packed in a hard cardboard casing so that the contents may not leak out, and here you can see the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. And I have brought it from Amazon, and here you can see the barcode, and here there are other details, and it is tightly sealed from all sides. And now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my knife and now I am cutting it through. The MRP of the product is 200 INR, but I got it at a deal price of rupees 170 INR. And here I opened the packet a little bit more, and this is it, and the product is out, and this is the bill. It is sent by Amazon, and here I have kept aside the bill, and here I have opened it. These are the air packets which are packed along with the product so that any damage to the product may not occur during seepage. And here this is the 4700 BC Gourmet popcorn, and here this is it, and the tin is also very nice, and these are the nutritional facts about the product, and there is a logo of Fessy, and here you can see the barcode and MRP, and there are other details about the product. This is 4700 BC Gourmet popcorn. Popcorn is a vegetarian product. The signature handcraft delicious popcorn is enrolled in luscious dark milk white chocolate with perfect balance of almonds to shake your taste buds. It is certified non-GMO corn which has no MSG and is cholesterol free. It is rightly blended with rich melted cheddar cheese poured into special blend of popcorn. It is packed in tin which is weighing 127 grams. And now I am opening it, and here now a little bit more, and here this is it. This is the popcorn. This is 4700 BC Gourmet popcorn, and it is very nice and fantastic, and if you taste it, it is very yummy, and it is a perfect snack for every occasion. You can bring all your people together by having this tin filled of delicious nutty popcorn, whether you are at work, party, or any time during the day. It is perfect delicious gluten free snack having 0 gram of trans fat. The 4700 BC nutty chocolatey popcorn is manufactured with high quality ingredients, ensuring quality in every bite. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.